Good afternoon, fellow investors. So, this video is going to be a little negative on Aurora. Yes, I apologize to all the Aurora shareholders. Or could I say, bag holders? I'm just kidding. Shareholders, you want to believe in Aurora for the long term. So, go right ahead and hold. This is not, you can do whatever you want. But as you can see, this article right here was pushed out today. Hedge funds are selling Aurora stock. Why? Because investors need some kind of catalyst to understand why the stock price is going down. And this article also serves as, pressure on Aurora stock, because obviously there are people out there that want Aurora stock to go down. Like me. I want Aurora stock to go down. Why? Because I think the return on investment on Aurora stock is way higher if the stock goes down than it is right now. Why did I explain that? Like, for example, if Aurora went back to, let's say, $5.80, I would be a big buyer from there, because if Aurora went back to $17, $18, or $19, that would make that would make a return on investment of 200, 300%, versus, let's say if the stock went from $13.16 all the way up to $17, that's only like, 50% return on investment, versus the stock going back down to $6 and then skyrocketing to $17 is almost a 300% return on investment. I would rather see a 300 return on investment, and it's a good way to introduce a CEO. 300% pop to the upside. I don't think a new CEO would make the company evaluated at, $3, $4, $5 billion unless the CEO is a billionaire himself and he's just he's in at Aurora just to grow his wealth or something. I don't know, because he thinks Aurora has potential to turn its company around and, make him even more money or something like that. I have no idea, but if a billionaire came in, I think the stock price would go up dramatically. But I would rather see the stock price go back to 580, skyrocket from good news from the Aurora, the CEO coming in, than rather have it, sit here and then suddenly skyrocket. I don't think Aurora is going to move to the upside. I think Aurora is going to be moving to the downside further. That is my opinion. It looks like, the stock is starting the downtrend again. I think the MACD is going to go further down, and I think we're going to have a death cross here in the near future. It's just a matter of time and when it will happen. But obviously, that's what I think. If you wanna buy and you wanna hope that the stock price goes up higher, you wanna hold, then go right ahead. I'm not, this is not financial advice. You're welcome to do whatever you want. But I am gambling that Aurora stock price goes down lower. I'm hoping it goes down to $6, because when they introduce this new CEO, it's going to pop. I would rather see a 300% pop for a new CEO versus, versus 50% pop or 60% pop. But again, that's my opinion. Another thing is, right now the markets are really volatile, and I think that the next earnings report is not enough to bring the stock price back up. And then in October, when they announce the next earnings report, that is a dangerous time too, because the stock market crash is basically, that's when I would be extremely worried about, when Aurora flips a profit, that's when I would be extremely worried about a stock market crash. And I also think that Aurora is saving the CEO news until next year. I don't think they're going to announce it this year, simply because the stock market crash is happening, and I don't think Aurora is going to use the wild card, which is the new CEO, to prop the stock up when a market crash is coming. I think Aurora is gonna wait until Donald Trump, the presidential election is over first before they introduce their new CEO. So I'm thinking that they're going to wait until the stock market crashes, wait until the stock price calms down, and then introduce a new CEO sometime in 2021. 2021 is also going to be a very good year for Aurora because they should be consistently profitable. On top of that, they'll introduce a new CEO and it'll be a good year. But 2020 will be a very bad year for Aurora, in my opinion only. And I would rather see the stock price go back to $5 to $6 because the return on investment is ridiculous down there. But again, I don't know what Aurora stock's going to do. If you want to hold and hope that rich people will pump up Aurora stock and make you your 50 or 60% profit in short-term gains, then go ahead, hold. But in my opinion, I think the stock price is going down lower. But again, I don't know what big money is going to do. If big money wants to pump up Aurora stock, they will. But right now, this article being pushed out is putting pressure on Aurora stock at the moment. So the SPY right now is trading positively. Not too much to say about that. That's probably the reason why Aurora got pushed up a little bit. Acreage holdings. I did buy some Acreage holding stock. And if you want to see my position, all I ask in this video is you to subscribe and give me 50 thumbs up. If you give me 50 thumbs up, maybe share this video. Don't share this video. I don't know. Do whatever you want. If you give me at least 50 thumbs up, I will show my position on Acreage holdings. But we'll see if that happens. I don't know. 50 is not even asking for very much. Just 50 thumbs up for this video. I'm probably going to get a lot of thumbs down for this video because I'm talking so negatively about Aurora stock that all the Aurora fanboys are going to thumb down me, guaranteed. You know, I'm expecting at least 10 thumbs down or maybe even 15. But that's what I'm expecting. But if you guys give me 50 thumbs up, I promise you guys, I will show you my Acreage position. I did buy some today. So, yeah. Anyways, Canopy Growth. Canopy Growth is down 15 cents right now. But it's getting moved up with the SPY. Cron, same thing. Afria, kind of like Afria and Cron looks like exactly the same chart. Tilray also looks like exactly the same chart. Carnival Cruise is moving up with the SPY. Obviously, that makes a lot of sense. And right now, it has a short-term golden cross. So I think it's probably gonna go back to $16 very, very soon here. Could be wrong. Maybe I'm wrong. I don't care. But if the SPY keeps going up, I think Carnival is going to go down up to 16. Short term, I still think that Carnival is probably going to go head back down to like $10, $11 in the short term. Probably by like July, sometime in July. But I could be wrong, and maybe this is an opportunity and Carnival is bottoming out and will head up higher. I have no idea at the end of the day. It's pure gambling. I'm not bullish on Carnival at all, but short term, I think this thing is heading back to 16 bucks. I could totally be wrong, but it also depends on the SPY. If the SPY just like suddenly skyrockets, I think Carnival will skyrocket with it. Beyond Meat had a crash today, which created a huge opportunity to buy some call options, but I missed out on that one. I wish I was scanning Beyond Meat this morning and saw that, hey, look, it crashed. It crashed hard. Time to buy some call options. And I would have made a butt ton of money. Right now, I would be more bearish than bullish. But whatever. That's the way I'm thinking right now. But the SPY, if the SPY keeps moving up, Carnival will keep moving up. If the SPY crashes, Carnival will crash. That's my opinion. Taurus Acquisition Corp was up massively today. Pullback. Don't know. Like I said, I got my gambling position. I am profitable on my gambling position. I'm gonna hold it, and if it suddenly goes back to $12, I will add. I'll probably buy another 1,000 shares if it goes down to 12 bucks, And then if it goes down to $10, I'll add in another 500 shares for a total of 2,000. But that's my plan moving forward. I'm not planning to buy any more at these prices. But if it goes down to $12, I'm definitely gonna pick up another 1,000 shares. That's my plan, anyways. American Airlines. American Airlines is down 36 cents. Not too much to say about that. Carnival again. Carnival is down 23 cents. Tesla had a pop, and Tesla is running with the SPY right now. Janus Brands Corporation. Janus is trading sideways. GameStop. Oh, I'm so glad I'm out of this stock. Woo! So happy about that one. Tesla. I already talked about Tesla. Did it have space in it? Space. I don't think I have space in it. Ooh, look, space is green right now. Green space. Space is heading to green. Green space. Beyond Meat. Liberal Health Science. Well, I'm a shareholder of Space, so it makes me happy to see green. Liberal Health Science trading sideways. Harvest having a nice little pop today, but it's pulling back. Cura is moving up. True MedMed is trading sideways. True Eve had a pop, but it's pulling back a little bit. Cresco Labs is down 4 cents. And Bitcoin, what is Bitcoin doing? Bitcoin is trading sideways. And High Blockchain Technology is down 2 cents. I don't know if there's a buying opportunity or not. It's going to go down further. I have no idea. No idea. But if it goes back down to like 20 cents, I'd pick up some shares. Anyways, that's it for my video. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.